Om Sri Sai Ram. My most humble pranam at the lotus divine feet of Mother Sai. Today we start our computer class. First of all, join your hands, close your eyes, start 3 Omkars. Om. 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 Sai Ram. Today we start lesson number 3, working with objects and tables in MS Word. In the previous class, you already learned about the Microsoft Word, that is the full form of MS Word. In this chapter, we will learn about the tables and objects. Which form is easier to read, MS Nayer's list or the table? The table is easier to read, of course. As you can see, the table has picture along with the text. MS Word has ready-made pictures called clip art. You can see in the figure number 3.1a that you can use. It also has special text effects called word art that you can see in a figure 3.1b. Pictures, clip art and word art are elements other than text. They are called objects. That is the definition of object. Picture, clip art and word art are the elements other than text and they are called as a object. Here you can see figure 3.A1. This is a clip art and this is word art that we can use in our MS Word document. Let us learn about inserting objects such as pictures, clip art, word art, shapes and symbols in a document. You can use the Insert tab to add these objects. Which tab is used to insert these objects? Insert tab. Remember this. We are using the Insert tab to insert all these objects like as picture, clip art and word art. Here you can see this figure 3.2. This is the Insert tab. Here you see picture, clip art, shapes, word art, symbols. These are the objects which we can insert in our document. First of all, we learn about the inserting a picture. How to we insert a picture in our document? Here the steps are given. You have to follow that. You can insert any picture into a Word document. To insert a picture from the computer, follow these steps. First of all, click on the Insert tab. Then click on Picture in the Illustrations group. The Insert Picture dialog box opens. Then locate the picture and click on it. Then click on the Insert button to insert the selected picture into your document. These are the steps to insert a picture in your document. I repeat again, First of all, you click on the Insert tab. Here you can see this is the Insert tab. Then after, click on the picture in the illustration group. This is the illustration group. You click on this picture button. When you click on picture button, what's happen? Inserting a picture dialog box opens. Here, this is the dialog box. Then after, locate the picture and click on it. Means select the picture whichever you want to insert your document. Then after, click on the insert button. Your selected picture will insert in your document. Next is cropping a picture. You can crop or remove any part of a picture you have inserted. To crop a picture, follow these steps. First of all, click on the picture you wish to crop. A new tab called the Format tab appears on the ribbon. Then, in the Size group on the Format tab, click on Crop. 8 black handles appears around the picture. Click and drag the corner handle inward to hide the part of the picture you wish to crop. Then after, press the Enter key to crop the picture. To crop the picture, you have to follow these 4 steps. First of all, you have to click on that picture. Then, a new tab called the Format tab appears on the ribbon. This is the ribbon. Here you can see one new tab is Format tab when you select that particular picture. Then in the Size group on the Format tab, click on Crop. Crop option is there. You have to select that option. Then 8 black handles appears around the picture. Here you can see there are 8 black handles. 1, 2, 3, here 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are called as the cropping handles. Then click and drag the corner handles inward to hide the part of the picture you wish to crop. You can click on that handle and drag it to crop the unwanted part of your picture. And after completing, press the Enter key. You can see here the cropped image. Today's class is over. In the next video, we will continue the lesson. Join your hands, close your eyes, do the Shanti mantra. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sai Ram. Take care. Thank you.